In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix update on iPhone stock or not installing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're using Wi-Fi, restart your router. Next up, check storage in your device. Head back, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Next up, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that block the installation process. After that, try to install again. This might work. Next thing you want to do is first restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. With this, your problem might be fixed. Now you can navigate to Settings, General, Software Update and try to download. Also ensure your battery is charged above 50% or keep your phone plugged in while updating. If the update is still not installing, try updating using a PC. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC and use Find or iTunes to install the updates manually. This method often bypasses software glitches that happen during over-the-air updates. Finally, if nothing works, wait a few hours and try again. Sometimes Apple servers are overloaded right after a major release, which can cause installation delays or failures. That said, these tips should help you fix most iOS updates, stock or not installing issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.